Let's talk about 4 reasons why you should not be a software engineer. And the last one is actually my favorite. It's the one that kind of made me decide that I will never be a software engineer. Let's get started. We've all seen them. We all love them, those day in the life videos of a software engineer where they talk about how they get paid $250,000 a year and all these benefits. They wake up, have this amazing breakfast, go on a walk, go on a run, go to the gym, do 50 things before they finally clock in or badge into work. They spend maybe 5 minutes working out of their day. They have some meetings and stand-ups and then pack up and go home and repeat. In my opinion, it's a dishonor to the career because that's not how things work. And if that's how things worked, we wouldn't have such big companies like Facebook, Google, X, Salesforce, whatever they are. We're being lied to in these videos. Reason number 1, in a role such as software development or any critical role in an engineering position, you'll be under pressure a lot. And you need to ask yourself, how well do you handle pressure? Do you kind of break under pressure when people are breathing down your neck, when there's a deadline that you might not meet, or when a lot of people are waiting for you to complete your task in order for them to complete theirs, and maybe they're behind because of you? If that's not something that you handle well, you may want to reconsider, which leads me to point number 2. How well do you work on your own? Or how well do you work on your team? So you might be stuck between 2 places. You might be a great team player, however terrible on your own, and you're tasked with things that you need to just handle on your own all the time. Or on the flip side, you might be an amazing troubleshooter. You may be just the skilled developer. However, you're always on a team, and for you to complete your work, it depends on other people or vice versa. And there's this pressure and arguing and managers kind of getting in the midst of things. If you can't handle that type of pressure or that environment, this career might not be for you. And in all honesty, IT might not be for you. So reason number 3, how well are you with structures? You might be a great troubleshooter, you might be a great engineer. However, you're one of those ninja engineers where you will go and fix a problem real quick. You just dive in there, figure out what's wrong, fix it, and then get out. But you don't follow any structure. These big companies, they're built on structures because that's how they're scalable. And scalability is critical in a software development role because you may be working with 1,000 users today and something blows up and you're with 10,000 or 100,000 users. And the only way that you can grow and be this elastic engineer is by following structures. You have to be able to follow a structure set by your team that you might not necessarily agree with, but that works for the environment. And number 4, by far my favorite one, because it actually stretches to all parts of IT. You may be doing a lot of work, dedicating countless hours after work, maybe putting 80 to 90 hour work weeks and build this amazing project, and you get 0 recognition. Your manager might, your peers might get the recognition, you may not get any of it. And instead, what's worse is when something breaks, it's your fault and you have to figure it out. And once again, that pressure is back on you, and then your peers are around you, either working as a team or you might be in an island, but they're still waiting for you. And it's difficult. It's difficult. And that is why I believe that I'm not cut out to be a software engineer. And in all honesty, I think my main reason is I suck at technical interviews and I don't think I'll ever pass one. I would love to be one, but I just don't think I'm smart enough. But I hope this doesn't discourage you from becoming one. I hope that you actually instead build yourself up, train yourself to work in an environment like that. And who knows, maybe you'll be living that lifestyle with $250K a year and this, 6 breakfasts and gyms and all these activities before you even start working. So hope you guys have a great day. Bye.